Three of us sitting on a nice trip. Rain passed us, and now we go, and the rest of the day should be very nice and dry. Okay, let's say hi to Jim's dog. Dog is not coming with us. Hey, dog, say hi. This is a wild animal. Hey, hi. You gonna bite me? You gonna bite my finger? You can tell this dog is a smart dog. All right, baby. See you on the rebound. Okay. Jim is set for 11 days BDR excursion. And then there's us schmucks. John is riding historical.
Put historic plates on it.
Historic plates.
No,
Well,
officially
1935, right? What year?
It's an 89.
89. That was close.
See my new
89.
top box?
89 BMW, man. It's no joke. Show us.
Let's go.
Let's go. What do you want to show me? The top box? Is this new?
It's new.
Wow. Is it?
Look how I installed it. Lots of piano wire and zip ties.
You installed it John style, eh?
Mm-hmm.
The best.
It might be coming back with us. It might not.
Yeah. So I have to. If I follow you, I have to keep distance in case it tumbles. I don't.
Right.
I don't want to jump over it. Eh?
Well, no. Stop and pick it up.
Stop and pick it up. Okay.
There's
That's
nothing
the plan.
valuable in here. Look at the handlebar. It's just beautiful. The switches.
Right?
It's just better.
Not even navigation, huh?
No navigation.
It shows clock. It shows time.
And
so
the clock
you know that
works.
much.
And the clock works.
The clock works.
Okay.
All right. You got clock and you got the easy pass. What else do you need for success?
Nothing.
Set for
I
success.
need you and Jim.
There you go. All right, let's do this.
Side of the road where we had a not a technical difficulty but a breach of security. Vlad's, which account, Vlad?
Facebook account.
His Facebook account
Got hacked. Yeah.
by a competitor movie director looking to steal your secrets.
That's right. That's bastards.
So you figured out the problem?
Well, I called my wife, my helpline, my lifeline. I used the one line lifeline so far, and she changed the password. So hopefully, problem solved.
Very good. Onward. So
Jim, I noticed that I got a little cranky. So we stopped by and this.
It was time for ground up and ice cream. Here we are at the dairy bar. The first one I saw after I noticed his crankiness.
Jim found a spot. They sell ice cream.
I know Val.
All right.
To Massachusetts, Val.
Yes. So John.
We just wanted to add for the future in case you forget. This is the summer of $5 gas. $5 in Massachusetts, $5 in Connecticut, $5 in New Jersey.
$5 and climbing.
And climbing.
Mm-hmm.
Hopefully we don't view that one day and say, boy, I wish it was that cheap again.
Mm-hmm. This is our hotel where we're gonna stay today in Vermont.
So glad here we are in Cavendish, Vermont. Checking into our hotel. I guess we rode about 10 hours today.
Yeah.
Or so. Left 10:30.
Cool.
Maybe a little bit later.
Yeah.
And here we are arriving
Around 7 o'clock now.
7 o'clock. Yeah, so great ride. There was some beautiful roads. Closer to here. Vermont is a nice state for riding.
Beautiful roads.
So we're going to drop off the bikes, check out our room, head out to dinner.
We're gonna go have a dinner.
Yeah, restaurant right in the back.
Awesome. Good first day of travel.
For your first day of travel. Cheers.
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 Oh yeah.
Glad I don't know about you, but I'm hungry. I'm way hungry.
So we've been riding all day long.
That's
And
nice.
and about 8 o'clock we checked in a hotel, and rain about to start, and we drove here
We got here
15 minutes from hotel to this restaurant, right?
About a mile from the hotel.
Mile from a hotel. As we're driving, rain start coming down on us,
started
right?
coming down. And here we are.
And the restaurant is closing at 8 o'clock.
It's 8:02 right now, but they're going to take care of us.
They're gonna bring us food, and we're gonna eat outside,
Get
right?
outside. That way we can stay here until the rain passes.
We can't make this stuff up. Perfect timing.
You ready for this?
I'm ready for this.
I think.
At the end of the day, with this bike, which doesn't have a lot
Ellie,
of power,
right? So to see he's come back.
Yeah, that's it. That's Italian bike. Right?
Oh yeah.
Right.
Kind of revived the brand recently.
it's just a little cruiser.
Do you like this bike?
Oh, I freaking love it.
Yeah.
I just
What's
love
your
it.
name?
Bill.
Bill. You don't mind being in our movie?
No, I don't mind.
We're gonna make you into superstar.
My superstar.
Superstar.
Yeah, this is 2,900 miles by myself.
Nice.
After spending the last 28 months working in the ICU. It's a road that goes all the way around the coast of New Brunswick and Nova Scotia, Newfoundland, ferry, Labrador, Trans-Can Highway, Vancouver, down through the Pacific coast. My ex-girlfriend lives in Colorado Springs, so she owes me. Stay there. And then I don't know how to get back across the middle.
Vlad, welcome to Ludlow, Vermont. We're about to have a delicious breakfast. I don't know about you, but I'm hungry for more. Okay, Vlad, here we are having a delicious, nutritious breakfast. Getting ready for a fabulous ride. Just changed the route to include some off-road riding. Which my BMW is just raring to do. And this was a breakfast where we actually went and cooked our own food. We came in, there was no paper menu. Had to order it, had to pull it up online.
Advanced computerized system here.
And they would have preferred we ordered online, which we didn't. Totally self-serve. And we got our utensils, spilled our coffee, and there's one robot running this whole place.
Went through the whole program.
It's the wave of the future.
Yeah, very sophisticated place. This is my egg sandwich on an English muffin, and Jim have some kind of a delicious something.
And I'm having a wrap with avocado.
Nice. All right, let's eat.
He's looking at his GPS.
We'll pretend. So we just had a very interesting experience. Entered White Mountains,
Here we are in Vermont.
right? No, we're in New Hampshire.
We're in New Hampshire.
New
right outside
Hampshire
of the
White Mountains.
And the inevitable on a motorcycle could happen. But into the rainstorm. It wasn't long, but it was enough to get everything wet.
Torrential 15-minute rain. Screw us up completely. Not us, me.
And the moral of the story,
Yeah,
you see that dark cloud, you pull over, you get your rain gear on.
that's right. I saw
Yes.
that cloud, that dark cloud, but we
Yes.
didn't stop.
But anyway,
So-
we'll be dry soon.
Yeah. So now I had to change my shirt, my gloves, my jacket. Everything is soaking wet. Good thing I had another dry clothes in a dry bag. The only thing I have that works waterproof is dry bag. Thank God for dry bag. The rest of it is inferior cheap products I'm using, and that made me fail. Oh well.
All part of the game.
Part of the learning experience. And look at this. Now the beautiful blue sky and sun came up.
All we need is a half hour of sunshine. We'll be good. Just stopping for lunch after what I think was the best riding we've had so far. Was that flight about a 12-mile stretch?
Yeah.
No traffic.
Right.
Glad I have something to say about your laundry.
Yeah, go ahead, say something.
It's kind of like my neighbor who hung out her underwear as I was having a backyard party. Okay, so
Yeah.
you know it was a little dicey.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna have lunch in this place. Northern Exposure Restaurant. So today we're in town of Overkill of Maine, and we're not camping because we're expecting heavy rain. Meanwhile, it's bright and beautiful sunny day, and we're having lobsters for dinner. This is my lobster. What are you having, John? You're having
I'm having broiled scallops.
broiled scallops,
They're delicious.
and Jim having lobster.
Awesome lobster. Look at this. Look at that, baby.
Maine lobster.
Maine lobster, yes. We're in Maine. We're having Maine lobster. I'm glad. Are you happy with the motel? I'm very happy with the motel.
Motel is great. I wish we stayed in a campground, but
But not in the campground in the rain.
tomorrow we're gonna be in Vermont, and we're gonna stay in the campground, and we're gonna make our own food.
I can't wait.
It's not gonna be lobster, but it will be something interesting.
Very good.
It will be surprise. Alright, so today is Saturday morning. A little overcast. Supposed to rain around 11-12 o'clock in Maine. So we're packing up and going to Vermont, and we're gonna stay in Woodford State Campground out there.
We're breaking from the group. The group is going on to ride a 11-day section of the BDR covering, I don't know, over 1,000 miles.
Yeah, 11 days.
And good for them. We're not quite up to it. We're gonna make some breakfast and hit the road. Try to beat the rain today. So Vlad, we're not in your kitchen at home. We're in the basement of the motel cooking our own continental breakfast. They have a well-equipped kitchen.
Yes.
Everything on the first shelf of the refrigerator is for the guests to prepare for themselves. This is something they do commonly in Maine. And one thing I like about how prepared people from Maine are is if you have leftovers, they have labels
What is
for your food. That's the ice maker.
Ice maker.
And also a little bit different is that for our entertainment, if the food isn't entertaining enough, there's an electric organ. What more could you need?
So
And you know,
we're gonna have a quick breakfast and head on to our trip. We only have 7 hours of riding.
how many miles?
250, 280, something like that.
And are we backtracking the route from yesterday, or is it a new
No,
route?
we have a new route we created using Scenic, of course, not Garmin. This guy again.
Vlad,
Yeah.
nobody said it was all going to be roses.
Yeah, I'm telling you, all of my gear completely failed, totally failed, and with all this bright, crazy-looking outfit that's supposed to be waterproof, the water got into my boots, and my socks got completely wet, and my feet are very cold. So we pulled out of this area to change my socks to dry socks.
All you need is a garbage bag.
But insulation of the boot is still wet. So thank you John. Here's a garbage bag that I'm gonna put over my dry socks and shove my feet in the wet boot, and I'll be dry. And we'll continue on. There's a formula. My buddy Charlie, going skiing, does this all the time, keep his feet warm and dry. Let's see. The lesson we learned is we need the Gore-Tex outfit, right? Gore-Tex technology that will help us out. Only down to like 5.5 hours until we get to our today's destination. It's getting very warm. It went from 49 degrees to 53 degrees. I'm definitely not ready for Alaska, that's for sure.
Well, Vlad, at first for me was avoiding that tree limb that was down in the road.
You see that?
I saw you take a wiggle. I was, and the roads were wet. I was kind of afraid. It hit me. It didn't hit me hard.
But you, when you passed, there was no car coming in opposite direction. When I came up to the tree that was, the end of the tree was by the yellow line, the car was coming in opposite direction. I had to hit the tip of the tree.
That was a first for me.
Yeah, that was crazy nuts. That was one of those moments.
You have a great day.
In New Hampshire, I think, getting a quick bite to eat, hot cup of coffee. It's cold out, 52 degrees, windy, although we always make our own wind, but it's windy out. And if you notice, we're standing up eating. We don't need to be sitting down at lunch. Oh, one thing. The coffee up here, every cup of coffee I've had, no matter at a gas station, at the motel, delicious. Delicious coffee.
So, John, I need to go to the bathroom. I try to be unnoticed. So that,
Go ahead. What do you want me to help you?
yeah, like I wanna be
No one's looking.
slightly invisible, right? Oh, there's a bathroom there. Look.
It's kind of a long way down, Vlad. You think you could hit it from here?
I don't know if I can reach. I'll try. The road that my navigation tells me to go to, and then we find the sign that says private drive, no traffic. Try to turn around, slid on a piece of wood or something. I don't know what the hell happened, and I dropped my bike. So let's see if I can pick this up. That's what happened probably. The roll. Okay. Oh, you can make this shit up. Okay, let's try this again. So, I guess we're gonna trace back and make a right and go around this section. Too bad. According to navigation, it's like another half a mile and we have to reach the main road, but whatever. We'll go around it.
We were right on it with all that big tubes. I was like, oh man.
So, what town are we in?
Is this Ancramdale?
Yeah.
Is this upstate New York?
Yeah.
That's upstate New York.
Yeah, this is pretty. You're right next to Columbia County. you
Okay.
know, but yeah, this is upstate.
All right, awesome.
You're going back to Jersey now?
Yeah, we got like 4 hours to do.